I don't spend more than 50 million naira for my artist head. Many people they mock me say, Geh Geh, your artist when you get at your record label, we record only to song that they sing for that record label. I don't blame any of them. You don't know money I invest for this guy say. After said I watched Toto go global #1 for Spotify, my artist got this studio again. I don't go spend money from that studio session again with the record new song, and this song na banger. Carry the camera and come. Don Jazzy go come inside, Geh Geh, they give us headache for this industry. Give us big.
Like and subscribe.